How to layer videos in Canva? Well, to start, it is not exactly the same as layering videos in most traditional video editor softwares like Filmora or maybe Adobe Premiere. In Canva, the features of video editing is really the bare minimum. Even though it's a great software, but I think when it comes to video editing, Canva is really only good for, simple video. But I think you can still get some value out of it. So if I'm creating a video in Canva, here's what I would do if I have multiple clips on top of another. So basically there could be multiple videos that kind of overlaying one another. So to start, I'm going to, let's say, insert some videos and you'll see how I arrange those videos. So let's try a video of Santa dancing maybe, and let's try a simple video. Okay, there are this video. Okay, that's very interesting, and let's put it here, and I'm going to crop the video a little bit. Oh, by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that if you are not seeing that feature, you have to open the thumbnail view and then click duration, so you will see this video thumbnail, which is very useful when you are dealing with video in Canva. So I have this video. This is the first layer, and after that, let's try a video of falling snow overlay. We need a lot of snow here, and after that I'm going to let's try this video. I think this is good enough. So this is the second layer of the video, and I'm going to set the transparency to around maybe 12 to 15%. So you kind of see the snow falling. Oh, it's not very visible. Let's try 28. Okay, that is better. So when you play the video, you'll see two videos playing at the same time. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, it's barely visible at the moment, but I think you can see that. So that is the two layers of video, but let's try adding another layer. But this time around, the layer is not at the very top. So let's try adding, reindeer. Would be a great fit. And I'm going to add these simple graphics. Now at the moment, this reindeer is at the very top of the layer, but I want to put it behind the snowy layer. So how do you do that? It's actually not very difficult. I'm going to increase the visibility of the snow so you can see it better. Right now, this picture is on top of the snow, but I want to put it behind the snow layer. So what you need to do is you have to open the position menu, click layers, and now you can play around with these video layers. As you can see right now, this is at the very top. At the very bottom is of course just an empty background, and then there is a video of Santa dancing. There is a video of snow overlay, and if I want to put this below this, then I just need to click and then drag it to the bottom, and there you go. Now this animation, I don't know, this is not animation, this figure is now behind the snow layer. When you play the video, you can tell that it is kind of being blocked a little bit by the snow, because the effect that I want to achieve. So that is essentially the basic of layering videos in Canva. Again, this timeline feature is not showing everything, but at least this layers position feature is good enough for creating simple videos using Canva. Anyway, I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and if you want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.